So, Rani, here's another question from our viewer who's saying that when a priority date becomes current, what are the steps to apply for adjustment of status? Any guidance on the process would be appreciated.
So, the adjustment of status application is the last step to your permanent residence. And the type of documentation required for this process includes your biographical data, birth certificate, marriage certificate, passport copy. It also includes your employment related documentation, such as your H1, L1 status approval documents, along with your spouse's. It would require your pay slips, your financial documentation consisting of your tax returns, your W-2s for the last 2 years. It would also, for your children, if you have children, your children's birth certificate, their passport copies as well. So it encompasses your biographical data and also your employment verification documents, in addition to the employment payment that you've received through the pay slips and the W-2s. You would also require your verification and support letter from your sponsoring employer if they continue to sponsor you, and the letter would continue to affirm that they filed that labor certification or perm application at that particular priority date, and that they continue to support the employment and the salary for the position. So there are different sets of documents, including the biographical. The other last step would be you have to obtain a medical examination from an authorized immigration doctor who will issue the medical examination and ensure that you don't have any particular communicable disease, which would be, along the lines of, measles and whatnot, that you've had all your shots and whatnot. So that's basically it in a nutshell to apply for adjustment of status.
All right, that's wonderful. Thank you so much, Rani, for explaining this process in a very simple way. And friends, if you have any other questions in your mind, then this is the link. You just have to visit this link and you'll get the contact details of attorney Rani Emandi. So go ahead and reach out to her right now.
You know why I'm vacationing in Dubai right now? Because I stopped drowning in RFEs, intake calls, and late night filings. I used to hire freelancers who barely knew what a G28 was. Total chaos. Then I found IMI Support, virtual immigration paralegals trained in real case prep, docket-wise, and USCIS workflows. Now my calendar's clean, my clients are happy, and my firm runs while I relax. You can